Hello, my name is Karen King. Our Whitsett meditation today is the light of zeal. Zeal is the power of enthusiasm, audacity, and devotion. Charles Fillmore, in his book The Revealing Word, describes zeal as intensity, ardor, enthusiasm, the inward fire of the soul that urges humankind onward, regardless of the intellectual mind of caution and conservatism. And now, as we begin our meditation, I ask you to relax and concentrate. Pay attention to your breath and gently stretch your upper shoulders and neck. Slowly rotate your head, beginning chin to chest and moving in the direction of the left ear. Then place chin to chest, then right ear. Breathing in and out intentionally, softening, inhaling. Lift your shoulders toward your ears. Hold posture and breath, then release and become still. Direct your full attention to the back of your neck, at the top of your cervical spinal cord, and here, where the lower brainstem or medulla oblongata connects to your brain and spinal cord, lies the center of your spiritual power of zeal. The medulla oblongata controls important autonomic functions such as breathing, blood pressure, and heart rate. Visualize a vibrant orange glow permeating the back of your neck and deep within your brain. You send the message, relax, to your brain, and sense the slowing of breath and pulse as you still your body and quiet your mind. You are the magnificent power of zeal. You are enthusiastic, audacious, and devoted. You eagerly awaken each morning on purpose, exuberant about the choices ahead of you. You boldly think, envision, and act in the direction of your intentions. And now let my words be your words. I devote my thought, my energy, and time toward being a blessing by using my gifts and talents for good. I am the ever-flowing, always forward-moving vibration of possibility. I remain attentive to the present moment, knowing that my focus on the present is my ticket to my desired future. I am centered in the evolutionary divine power of zeal, an inexhaustible supply of passion and readiness. I do not dissipate this power by empty or frenetic activity. Instead, I remain wholehearted and single-minded in my spiritual practice of enthusiasm, audacity, and devotion. I am inspired and focused, exhilarated in my sense of purpose. I'm so grateful to speak these words, knowing that I speak them and release them. They are true, and move into action. And so it is.